are grey, some are white, some are brown and white. So many different varieties of pigeons we have here. In the same way, each of us are different. We may have a different skin color, we may be from a different community, different race, different country, from different backgrounds we may be. But each of us are unique. We don't have to try and fit in. We don't have to lose ourselves to conform. We don't need to get validation and approval from people. We must learn to accept ourselves as we are. We must learn to identify our strengths, our potentials. We must learn to find out what we are really made for, what is our core competency. In the Bhagavad Gita it is called as Swadharma. If each of us can anchor in our Swadharma and act, our life would be most inspiring, most beautiful. Let us come to accept ourselves and accept others. Let us live and let live. Let us give and serve. Let us build a harmonious and a happy world.